Good morning and welcome to another vlog. We are on our way to church and I'm running late because I'm taking Kaden with me. So, outfit. Cut off Shein jean jacket. This dress I think is from Burlington, and I have my hair down, no shoes on yet. I'm gonna throw on some flats, and yeah, so we have a lot to do today, but I'll come back when we are done with church. Okay, so we are back from service and it was so good. So I wasn't originally gonna take Kaden because I've been a few times and you know you have to wait in those long lines, and it's just a lot sometimes, and I didn't know how he was gonna tolerate it. But I really just felt like the Lord was like, take him, and I was like, okay, like, I don't really want to take him because I feel like it's gonna be a lot, but I'm so happy that I took him. He did great in the line. The line went a lot quicker, I think because they knew it was gonna be a guest pastor. So the line did go a lot quicker. He got inside, he even turned down his headphones so he could like listen to the worship music. Like, everything was great. So obedience. Thankful that I was obedient because he did a great job and he really enjoyed the service, and it was not as bad as I thought it was going to be. We had our few little moments of him like doing a little kicking and stuff like that, but otherwise it was great. Now, as far as the message was great. So we had another guest speaker. He is the chief of staff there. I can't remember his name right now, but if I remember it, I'll put it down there. But the message, I even have it on my phone. I took real good notes this time because it was such a good message. It was called The Idol Called Anxiety. You guys know that we're constantly dealing with stuff in this world. I deal with a lot, we all deal with a lot. So it was called The Idol Called Anxiety. It touches on Exodus chapter 32. Basically when Moses goes up to speak with the Lord for 40 days and 40 nights, and he leaves them down there. Basically, and they're waiting for him. And he said that anxiety doesn't prevent disaster, it manufactures it. And some of the notes that I took were that Moses was gone for 40 days, which I just talked about, that you are delayed but not abandoned, because Moses was gonna come back down. Like, he went up there, but he was gonna come back down. When you have anxiety, you begin to question God's faithfulness. They witnessed 3 to 4 months of miracles, but still questioned God's faithfulness when he was gone for those 40 days and 40 nights. God doesn't move, but our emotions do. We replace faith with fear. When we can't see what God is doing, we assume he's doing nothing. Impatience gives anxiety a chance to rewrite your story. Anxiety makes you forget the miracles faster than you remember the pain. Don't let others' anxiety control your leadership. It will unleash their chaos. Don't repurpose God's gift to replace the doubt. So like, he gives you a home and you place more of your value into this home, or more of your value into this money than you do in the person who gave you the money and gave you the home. Anxiety whispers what if, but faith says even if I trust you. So yes, the message was just spot on for what I needed to hear right now. So I'm so thankful that I went. Definitely just talking about how anxiety really creeps up on you. And there's so many things in your life where it's like, God, where are you? Or like, why is this not happening yet? You told me this. I felt like this was gonna happen. Like I dreamt about it, like all these different things. People told me that this is gonna happen, but I don't see it yet. And just knowing that in those moments where it feels like he's silent or that he's disappeared, that you are delayed, not abandoned, and that he still is there and he's still working. And the moments when you feel like he is silent the most usually are the moments that he's working behind the scenes on the answer to your problem. So yes, back to this week. So starting tomorrow, I want to do a 6-week challenge with myself. It's not like some public, I'm doing this 6-week challenge, but amongst myself. If you want to join and do something for yourself, then okay. But for 6 weeks, I really want to take a lot of the things in my life a little bit more serious, a little bit more structured. One, working out 5 times a week. Another, when I had my facial, they told me my face was super dehydrated. They put the blue light up there, looked at my skin, and were like, yeah, your skin's a little tight. They recommended that I use like oil cleansers and products with hyaluronic acid and peptides and stuff like that in them. So I purchased those products, and I really want to take my skincare a lot more serious. So working out 5 times a week and making sure to follow my new skincare regime. And what else? Trading. I want to trade at least 3 times a week and really work on building that skill up. And what else? Of course, I want to read my Bible daily and just work on spending more time with him in general. I spend pretty good time with him, but just more intentional time, really trying to really feed my soul, if that makes sense. So I really want to spend more intentional time. Yeah. So yeah, so these are just a few things that I want to do within these 6 weeks. There's some products that I'm trying. I'm trying the Maylee's Get Dreamy, like the little stomach cream or whatever. I want to use that for the next 6 weeks. So there's just some things that I want to do for 6 weeks starting tomorrow. And yeah, so what we're gonna do first is we're taking my hair down. So I said regime, but I really meant regimen, like following a skin regimen. But yeah, so I really want to do the 6-week challenge because I know that consistency does build progress, and this is 6 weeks of me being consistent in these areas of my life. So I really just want to see how much I can transform in 6 weeks. So today is going to be a lot more montagey because I need to take my hair out. I'm getting my hair done not this Saturday, but the following Saturday, and I really just need to give my hair a break. I need to wash it, condition it, do something with it. So I'm going to be taking my weave out and might be meal planning. I have no clue what I'm going to be doing, so enjoy this little montage, and I'll probably see you guys tomorrow on Monday. Good morning. So I made it to work and I'm in the parking garage, and as you can see, my hair is still done. So yesterday I went and did a Walmart pickup. I did my meal prep for the week, and then it was just so late I couldn't do my hair. So part of my 6-week challenge is to work out for 5 days a week. Wednesday is an off day and Sunday is an off day. So I plan to take my hair down on Wednesday. I'm also waiting for a product. It's called Miche, I think. I've seen it on Instagram like all over, and I think it's like gel to foam for like curly hair to like make it more defined. So that's supposed to come on Wednesday, and I kind of wanted to use that, so that's another reason to wait until Wednesday. But yeah, so it is Monday morning, and yeah, today only thing I have to do as far as the 6-week challenge stuff is some of the skincare and stuff like that, but working out is one of the main things that I'm doing today. But yeah, that is it. So let's go to work and I'll see you guys after. I am done working out and doing my face care and all my stuff for the night. It was a really good first day of the challenge. I did not want to work out, but Talia made me happy. And I was surprised to see her on the app anyways, because it's not her app. So I was like, oh, it's Talia. So yeah, it was a really good workout and I'm glad I did it. So now I'm about to head and get some dinner. My mom made something yesterday that was pretty good, and I had a lot of green beans left from my meal prep. So I'm probably gonna put those back on the stove and make those, and maybe some mashed potatoes or something like that. And that will be dinner, and then that's probably it, y'all. So here is the meal. We have green beans, mashed potatoes, and this is the meat that my mom made for dinner last night. I have no clue what it is, but it's really good. And then I really would have loved to have a poppy with this, but I don't have any, so this is sparkling water, and I put strawberry and coconut syrup in there. It's sugar-free Torani syrup. It's really, really good with sparkling water. I feel like it makes it taste like 100% better. But yeah, so this is the dinner for tonight. So usually the first day of me doing any sort of like challenge that I've put myself on is super easy. As you can see, I worked out, I did my skincare, I made a nice meal, but like tomorrow we might have nachos for lunch or like something, or for dinner, you know, something might not be like on par for what exactly I want it to be for the challenge. So one way that I help keep myself on track is by using Copilot. I'm not as big of a fan of ChatGPT. I do use it for like documents and stuff like that, but for some reason I like Copilot, so I have the app. And one thing you can do on either one is you can have them create a devotional for you. So I put in that I was doing a 6-week challenge, what I was doing, what rules I was following, all these things, and then every morning it curates a really cool devotional with prayer, prompts, scripture, and all that stuff for me. And it's just really nice. It keeps you on track. It's really cool. So like if you're interested in doing that, not just for your own like little challenge, but just daily, if you're like, okay, Copilot or ChatGPT or whatever, this is what I'm going through today, make me a curated devotional. It's amazing. So that's something that I do that's been really helpful. keeps my mind right and keeps me on track for just being intentional during this 6-week challenge. Good morning. So you already know I'm in the parking garage at work. I'm actually about to do my devotional with Copilot for the 2nd day of my challenge, and I wanted to show you guys my P&L on Thinkorswim. So this is my profit and loss on Thinkorswim. This is my trading account, and this is going to be our first day live trading for this challenge. So it's kind of strange because I put $250 on there. I had 40 already. I put 250, so it should have been like 330 something or whatever, but I woke up this morning to $540 in my trading account. So I went to go look, and apparently they have a dual deposit of 250, which I didn't make. My bank account doesn't show it. It never happened, and nothing shows that I gave $500. So I'm sure the extra 250 is a duplicate, which will probably fall off. But in the meantime, before it falls off, I'm going to show you what my trading account is like now on day 1. If things do change and they do take back the 250, which they should because I didn't put that in there, then I will show you what it is then. But I wanted to start off by showing what my trading account looks like to begin with. So here is my trading account. I have no positions open right now, and my options buying power is 540 bucks. So that's what we're starting with today. So I'm super excited to see what my trading account will look like after 6 weeks, like God willing that it looks really good. But yeah, so I'm about to go ahead and do this devotional and head into work. I will see you guys after work for the regular, the workout, the food, or whatever we do after work. It is Wednesday and I'm not feeling the best. I'm actually about to leave work about an hour early. I get really bad, like when my electrolytes get super low, it throws my heartbeat off, and then it's hard for me to breathe, and it's just a whole big thing. So I need to go home, take some medicine, get that together, take my vitamins, all that stuff, get it all together. So right now I'm just a little bit short of breath, and it's just not what I want to work. Not the way that I want to work. It's hard for me to talk and speak. But yeah, so I was gonna do my hair today. I'm not gonna do it. The product I'm waiting for comes on Friday, so I'm just gonna wait till this weekend because I'm not getting it done till next weekend anyways. And then everything else has been going good. Go home, work out, eat, Bible study, sleep, pretty much. Today was my off day for working out anyways, so if this was gonna happen, this was the perfect day. So I'm just gonna go home. I might take a bath, use some Epsom salt and stuff that has magnesium and stuff in it. Will be really helpful, and just take magnesium and like everything else, all the electrolytes I need to get my heart doing what it's supposed to do so I can feel better. But yeah, I just wanted to catch up with you guys.